Want to build real IT skills that can help you land a job, get promoted, or move you closer to that tech career you want this year? This Memorial Day weekend, Ascend Education is giving you 14 days of free training access. That means you get 2 full weeks to explore the entire Ascend IT training platform. You can access courses for CompTIA, Microsoft, AWS, and more. You'll get hands-on virtual labs, video lessons, text lessons, slide decks, quizzes, assessments, and certification-aligned content built to help you practice the skills, which definitely beats memorizing them. So, whether you're starting with the Introductory Tech Plus course, or preparing for A+, or Network Plus, Security Plus, or you want to try Microsoft Azure, or Windows Server, AWS Cloud Practitioner, or other in-demand tech skills, this is your chance to try Ascend with more time and zero pressure. But this 14-day Memorial Day offer is limited, so claim it now and explore Ascend Education for free before the regular $59 a month subscription applies. Click the link and start training with Ascend Education today. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to Ascend Education's YouTube page. You'll get more tech and learning tips, course updates, and skill building content.